Alright, we got the bare spot here.
Laying down cardboard to create a protective barrier to keep weeds from growing up into the bed. Eventually the cardboard is going to break down, provide food for the plants and organisms in the soil. Cut at Walmart. At Lowe's. There was just one 8-foot board. What's that? 2 by 6 by 8. Cut into 4 2-foot pieces.
Go.
Now fill it with soil. For everybody that's in the Houston, especially the Pearland area, Living Earth is actually made right here in this area. It's locally resourced. It says on the bag that it's locally resourced. I always support locally resourced garden products. So if you're in the Pearland or Houston area, check out Living Earth. Spread it out a little bit, make sure it's out and even. There. In with the birds.